Introducing the Hobi 80 Rolling Mill, an exciting and innovative addition to Durston's lineup. Designed to cater to the needs of both beginners venturing into the world of jewellery making and seasoned professionals looking for a reliable and high-quality tool. This versatile rolling mill promises to revolutionise your jewellery making experience, combining user-friendly features with the exceptional performance that Durston is renowned for. The Hobi 80's durable construction and accessible price is designed to help jewellers and beginners get an affordable rolling mill instead of buying a cheaply made product that won't last. The combination of precision engineering and Durston quality ensures fantastic, reliable performance. The 80mm flat rollers provide a generous flat rolling area for various jewellery projects to a maximum thickness of 4mm. While the precision hardened rolls are ground to 64 RC, paired with maintenance-free bearings. A 3:1 ratio gearbox ensures efficient and consistent operation, making the rolling process smoother and easier. Durston's one-piece cast iron construction delivers unmatched strength and stability, enhancing the mill's durability and lifespan. What's more, a combination roller is available as an additional option, offering enhanced versatility for a variety of jewellery making tasks. Experience Durston quality at an accessible price and take your jewellery making to the next level with the Hobi 80 Rolling Mill.